Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to tackle the mess that the kids made in the basement. Currently we use this as a playroom and a family/movie room, so it gets dirty pretty frequently.
From you and the truth. Don't tell me why. I know you won't save my life.
I'm going to start by gathering all the trash, and then I'm going to move on to stuff that doesn't belong in the basement, like shoes or stuff the kids use to have snacks that belong in the kitchen.
If the walls come down, will you pick me off the ground? If the walls come down, will you save me or burn me down? I was ready to surrender my heart to you, only you. These lights all around me keep blinding my eyes from you and the truth. Don't tell me why. I know you won't save my life. Save my life. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. What does perfect even mean?
Right now I'm just separating toys between boy, girl, and baby. The baby stuff is going on the couch because her stuff belongs in that bag against the wall.
Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. 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 Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Disgusted with myself and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face. I stood and wait because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think.
Looks like we've come to the end of the road. There's no point in running away now. I'd rather sleep until the storm is gone. She'd rather be shooting at me now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire.
start pulling everything out of the closet to reorganize it. The last time the kids cleaned it, they just shoved everything in there. I usually organize it by boy and girl toys. That way they can have their own space but still get to play together.
Like a blink of an eye's not enough. She'd rather be staying for days now. I'd rather fix it than mess up again. She'd rather be burning it all now. I know it will end up in anger. I don't think we grew up, we just became older. She's aiming her words, ready to fire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I don't think that bullets will bring back desire. I can feel it somewhere inside, haunting like a drug I keep on wanting. There's a love that fits so perfect, it's hard to believe. There's a reason I can feel my heart stop beating, and the air gets tough just breathing. I'm alone but I'm still feeling like someone's with me. It's strange, I know, but I feel like you're here with me, like chasing ghosts. I know you're out there.
I just can't let you go.
Anyone else's kids have zero interest in their toys until you start cleaning or getting rid of stuff? I swore they got half of the toys that I was trying to pick up, and I had to re-pick it all up before I could film the rest of the video.
Left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. With your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah. Run free, so I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. I should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah.
I must be the slowest vacuumer because even in speed, it looks like I'm just regular vacuuming. That's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram at HookedOnHolloman.
You gotta want it with all your might. Girl,